This is the calm before the storm. It's a little past 10 o'clock. Windows are covered at the bottom at least. Yes. The sky is dark. There's a little rain falling. Not much. Let's see in an hour or so how this will be. 1 hour later. There was not much change in the wind and rain. I was wondering if Beryl changed her mind. And as my daughter said, the dog have to live. Fighter, how you feeling? Huh? You ready for Beryl? Hmm? She named Beryl, you know. You name Fighter, you know. You're not afraid, you know. Alright? So we have more rain now. There's still not much wind. The trees are not really moving. So we'll check back. This is an hour since the last post. I'll check back in another half an hour. What time is it, Marlon? It's now 11:39. I'll check back at 12 o'clock to see if there's any difference. And this is East Kingston. In the meantime, the family in Hanover got to send a quick footage of them chilling on the veranda while they wait on Beryl.
My youth here block my camera. Move.
Why do bridges can't it's so hard to pass?
Why?
It's impossible.
Come here, me thump you. Come here, me thump you.
Alright, we're seeing some actions right now. There's some wind in the trees. Yes, and it's making a sound. It's definitely picking up. Yes, the real thing, you know. I eat this now. Yes. Breeze and rain. Why? I am not going to lie. I was quite enjoying myself. I did not feel scared at all. I was just enjoying nature at its worst. Checking on Fighter, who was well fed and cozy. I heard some knocking sounds around the back, so I went to check and to see what is going on around there. It turned out that one of those sounds that we heard was the light wire on the light post that we are looking at right there. It caught fire and it was giving this popping sound. sound is what gets to me. The sound. No, this is storm. See what we are talking about there? No man, this is hurricane. What kind of storm you talk about? The people still are drive out in the hurricane yesterday. See there? That is about the 10th vehicle. See there? This is hurricane now. Yeah. Yeah. Can't see through the rain good. What am I going to shoot? So this is me sitting on the veranda watching Beryl. I'm in a little corner trying to hide from the rain, but it's coming for me. Yeah, I'm soaked as I speak. But I'm not ready to go inside yet. Maybe I'm waiting to see the worst of the storm. Look at that. Then, just like that, the hurricane ended and it was calm again, just like it was before. The rest of the video are footages that I borrowed of roads that I am familiar with on the east side of Kingston and also on Mona Road. Now the introspection question is, what do you do in the calm before the storm? What do you do during the storm? And what do you do after your storm? During the calm time in your lives, prepare your mind for an impending storm that is almost always on its way coming, so that you can ride it out and you can pick up the pieces afterwards.